In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the art of using CapCut to create a seamless green screen effect. If you've ever wanted to transport yourself into another world or simply have a bit of fun with your background, green screen is the tool to use. Let's dive in and discover how you can create captivating video effects right from your own device. First things first, you need to import your green screen video and the background you'd like to use. This is your starting point in building your cinematic setting. Choose your media files carefully, as the quality of these elements will directly impact your final product. Trust me, your audience will appreciate a crisp, well-shot video with a complementary backdrop. Just navigate to your files within CapCut and bring them into your project timeline. Now that you have both the green screen clip and your desired background in your workspace, the next step is to place the green screen clip above the background in the timeline. By layering the green screen footage on top, you allow the background to be the new scene you appear in once we eliminate the green. And we do that with the magic of the chroma key tool, which is your best friend in this process. It's specifically designed to remove the green from your footage, enabling the perfect illusion that you're somewhere else entirely. How does it work? Chroma key detects and removes a specific color range, green in this case, and reveals whatever lies beneath, thereby allowing the background you've selected to shine through. Ensure your clip is well lit and evenly exposed to maximize the effectiveness of this tool. Once you have applied the chroma key effect, it's time to fine-tune the details. Adjust the shadow and edge settings for a cleaner cutout. This step is crucial for achieving a polished look. By refining these settings, you can eliminate halos or green tints that sometimes linger around the edges of your subject. It's all about achieving that professional finish, and a little extra attention to detail goes a long way here. Lastly, to make it look like TikTok's popular green screen effect, you'll want to resize and position yourself within the frame. Imagine where you want to appear in your new setting and how you want to interact with the backdrop. Do you want to be larger than life? Or perhaps you've got a more subtle presence in mind? With CapCut, you have full control over how you blend into your scene, and there you have it. With just a few thoughtful steps, you've created a compelling video effect that transports you anywhere you desire. CapCut makes this entire process both simple and satisfying, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!